Hey there, Dory here with Next Stage Drumming. If you need to improve your mood or boost your energy, try drumming. You can even be a total beginner and you can drum on your legs or your desk, whatever you have handy. The trick is to tap out some easy beats to start with and then make them a little bit more challenging, but know that faster is better. So I'm going to start with some simple single stroke roll kind of beats, single beats, and then I'm going to add in some doubles. So it'll sound like this. A double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double, double. That at least gets you in the zone. Then you can add some different patterns to that if you like to make it a little bit more challenging. You can add some drum rolls, whatever it is that makes you feel more energized. And it really does boost your mood and definitely recalibrates things so that a shift does take place. Again, this is backed by science. I use a lot of these techniques with my drum therapy clients and sometimes fun corporate wellness programs, etc. So give it a try and then make sure that you rock out to your favorite tune at the end. It could be something that's in your head, or you can actually cue up some songs and play along. No one's going to know if you're on the beat or not, so who cares, right? The point is to release and have fun. So after you do your basic beats, add some add a little something something. We'll break down for you. There we go. That's just off the top of my head. It doesn't need to match anything. Just go for it. Have fun and give it a try. Let me know how that works. Hope all is well. Keep on rocking, my friends.